Hey guys, how you guys been? I haven't made a video in a long time. I've been really busy, but here's a video for you guys. It's an unboxing, and it actually is an iPod Touch, and it's brand new. It's an 8 GB. I won it online, and it got to me, here to me today. They shipped it from Apple, but I actually won it from this other website. So yeah, let's just open and see what comes in. Here's a packaging slip. Just leave it on there. Let's see. Here it is, guys. The iPod Touch. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna actually open it up because I'm actually gonna give it away to somebody. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I had got it. I won it online, and they sent it out to me. It's an 8 GB. It took 3 days to get here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for other videos. I will start making videos again soon, so just wait for that. Peace out, guys.